Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be starting off with my hair, and I'm using the conditioner first just to make sure it's soft and ready to be styled. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that. I didn't get to do a proper intro. Anyway, I'm just brushing my hair out with a paddle brush, and then I'm going ahead to split it in two. I'm just trying to recreate the hairstyle the Bratz doll had in the picture, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this got2b glue with some water, and then go ahead and apply it to my hair. It makes it really smooth, especially when I'm doing my ponytails. I like to do this, and I know some people say it's bad for the hair, but it really keeps my hair together because my hair is still quite stubborn. Even though it's relaxed, I still, it's still stubborn to just lay. So I like to use the got2b glue to just lay it down flat as possible. So I'm just brushing it in and then going ahead to just pack it in a bun, sort of, and just pack it basically. So we are coming with a force. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the other side, and until I look like I have goat ears.
You asked for the goat, so they sent me sleeves. I'm the Billy goat, the goat's here.
I went ahead to braid it down so my other hair, my extensions, have something to hold on to. If your hair isn't long enough or full enough, you can use extensions to braid down the end, like the tail, and just braid it down and goat out. So we are coming with a... At this point, I noticed the right side of my hair was longer than the left side. I don't know, that's so weird. Like, I always thought my hair was like equal length. Anyway, the extensions I'm going to be using in this video are by Hergivenhair, and I'm using their Coily clip-ins in 20 inches and 22 inches. They make like natural hair bundles and wefts and all of that. I've used them before, I've worked with them before. I came closer just to show you guys the texture. Each bundle comes with 6 wefts, and each weft has like the clip-ins attached to them, like 4 clip-ins. They also come with extra clip-ins as well, which will be useful for my other hairs because I plan to just make them into clip-ins. Anyway, I'm going ahead to deep condition the hair. Actually, just co-wash it, not really deep condition, just co-wash it, just so the curls can pop more and just so it's clean and fresh and ready to be used. I actually really like this hair. The only downside to it was the shedding, but apart from that, the curls are popping, the clips are stuck on rightly. As you can see, it snaps and unsnaps, so it's really easy for you to use. I'm going to go ahead to attach the first clip to my hair, to the end of my hair, and just go ahead and wrap it around and just use the clips to hold it in place. It's really easy. Yeah, I really like this method of doing like a ponytail. I can't wait to do like a full ponytail with this, like not 2 but just one full one. It will be so easy to do, so I don't have to worry about the ends sticking out. You know that thing that happens with ponytails. Anyway, I split each of the bundles in 2. That's 3 for the left side and 3 for the right side of each of the 22 and 20 inch bundles, and I just went ahead to apply 6 on the left side, and I also did the same thing on the right side. Now I'm just taking a piece of hair, spraying it with some water, and then wrapping it around the bun so it looks natural up there. And that's literally it for the hair. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box so you can check them out if you're interested. I'm going ahead to just lay my edges with some edge control, and yeah. I'm using a spoolie to do this. The only reason why I'm using a spoolie is because I couldn't find my toothbrush for my hair. So yeah, a spoolie works as well. And as you can see, this hair actually blends with my hair as well when I do the wrap round thing. It just looks like curly hair extensions, and it blends with my hair even though I'm not natural. So yeah, hair is done and laid, and I'm out here looking like Brandy from Brandy and Mr. Whiskers, or Didi from Dexter's Lab. I don't know which one you guys think I look like. But anyway, I'm just scarfing it just so I don't get makeup on my hair, and I'm going ahead to just do my makeup. I'm doing my brows with my Younger Beauty brow lotion pencil, and then concealing it with this Technique concealer. Just my usual routine. That's why I'm rushing this part. I go ahead to apply some concealer all over my eyes, the Maybelline concealer, and then I blend it out, and I also set it with some powder just to prepare it for my eyeshadow application. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm applying this transition color from the Too Faced Switch Peach palette, even though she didn't really blend. That's the Bratz doll. She just went ahead to just stack up black. Anyway, I'm going in with this dark color from the same palette and just putting it in my outer V. Here I was contemplating if I wanted to blend it out, and I was like, no girl, I'm not about to not blend it out. Like, I love you, Bratz doll, but over here we blend. Okay, so I'm just trying to do a simple cut crease, and I'm applying that green eyeshadow from the same palette as well. I don't know if it was green she had on her eyes, or if it was orange, or if it was gold, but I just went with green and it turned out okay. I'm just applying that to my brow bone, and of course blending it still because sis. Anyway, I'm applying some eyeliner. This was the part I loved the most because she was wearing eyeliner, and of course some lashes. I went ahead to apply the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to the first half of my lower lash line, and I also applied the Wet n Wild black eyeliner to the other side of my lower lash line, and then some mascara to finish off the eyes. And also I finished off my face off camera, and then I'm just applying some setting spray and also going ahead to extend my eyeliner. Now for the part I love the most, the highlights. As you can see, the confidence is coming. It's coming out. Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm just highlighting my face. For this, I'm using the Revolution Golden Sugar palette, and I'm just highlighting, you know, the high points of my face. And for my lip, I'm going in with ColourPop Rouge. I really actually like this lippy. Like, I love this look, but I like this lippy. I didn't think I would like it because it's bold. Nowadays I'm a nude girl, but I still believe this look will bang with a nude lip. Like, imagine. Anyway, I'm just applying some highlights because, you know, their lips are really big. I did overline the lip, and then I'm going ahead to be extra with my outfit, and, you know, just putting it together and just oh yeah, I got the phone too. If you thought I was extra before, what do you think of me now? That's it. I'm just trying to find the pose and the angle and make sure everything is right, and that's it.
Can't ball in a life, man.
So guys, this is the finished look, and I'm really happy about how it came out. It's cute, it's girly, it's playful, it's me. Like, yeah. If you think I killed this look, give me a like. If you think I did not kill this look, give me a like. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. And also follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and let's connect. Okay guys? Goodbye.
Make you know they feel like